Transferring the design. The design is transferred directly between the schematic editor and the PCB editor. There is no intermediate netlist file created. From the schematic editor, select Design, then click Update PCB, Document Multivibrator PCB Doc, or from the PCB editor, select Design, then click Import Changes from Multivibrator.Project PCB. When you run either of these commands, a set of engineering change orders is created, which lists all components used in the design and the footprint required for each. When the ecos are executed, the software will attempt to locate each footprint and place each into the PCB design space. If the footprint is not available, an error will occur. Where the software can look for each footprint depends on how the component was created, wherein workspace or non-workspace library, and for a non-workspace library component if the PCB footprint library is currently available. And for this tutorial, all of the components have been acquired to the connected workspace from the manufacturer part search panel. So the software can reference back to the workspace and retrieve each footprint. Now, a list of all nets is created when the ecos are executed. The software will add each net to the PCB, then attempt to add the pins that belong to each net. If a pin cannot be added, an error will occur. This most happens when the footprint was not found or paths on the footprint do not map the pins on the symbol. Additional design data is then transferred, such as net and component classes.